one Lister ST2, purchased from eBay. Not too bad for 375 quid, considering it's got the LH150 gearbox with it. Bit of overspray all over all of the ident plates. Bit of a random sort of quick spray it so it looks new kind of paint job. As you can see, that's where that's where the strap was over the engine when they sprayed it. The seller says the starter motor was reconditioned. Difficult to tell really. You can see that the dipstick tube is broken and the decompressors are bent, and there's a bit of something weird going on here where they've put a roofing screw in to hold the hot air outlet. We're going to start stripping it down. Haven't tried starting this engine, mainly because there's a bit of an odd noise when you turn it over by hand. So we want to have a look and see what's going on really before we try to start it. Otherwise looks clean, but difficult to tell. Yeah. So we'll see what happens.